Good morning, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Barbasena Betia, Commerce section. Today we are going to discuss over features of planning. In previous video we are talking about starting a new chapter, planning, and discuss over the concept of planning and definition of planning. Planning is just a predetermination of what to do and how to do, and planning, as we know that planning is very initial, essential and important step towards management. It is one of the most important functions of management. As we know that management is an integrated force of 5 different functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. And after make a huge discussion over importance and benefits of planning. Planning indeed beneficial for a manager towards achieving goal, because it predetermine that various circumstances which make him in front or way of the achieving goal. Thus planning always make a smooth functioning of organization, and management find easy themselves to get and achieve goals. Thus planning indeed a important function of management. Without planning we can't imagine the achieving a certain goal. So planning is a prime and essential for every that organization which willing to achieving goal in an efficient way and in an effective way. Without planning it cannot be possible to achieving goal effective and efficiently. Now in this video we are going to describe the features of planning. As we know that planning in our daily life, we also do some planning for our daily routine and to perform our task every day. Day to day planning होते हैं, monthly planning होते हैं, yearly planning होते हैं. So planning is important in every individual life also, as well as for an organization. So features of planning is the most important features of planning, that planning focus on achieving objectives. हम बताएं कि without planning there were no achieving goal, या goals cannot be achieved without planning. And where there is planning there must be a goal, and where there is goal, that goal must be achieved by planning. It means that goal and planning is both are two-way concept. गोल है तो प्लान है, और प्लान है तो गोल है. विदाउट प्लान वी कैन नॉट एबल टू अचीव अ सर्टेन गोल, एंड ए गोल कैन नॉट बी अचीव विदाउट एनी प्लान. सो प्लानिंग फोकस ऑन अचीविंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. इमेजिन योर संडे रूटीन, whether there is your in Sunday, on Sunday you have no to fix routine, because Sunday you have no goals. So without goals there were no planning, and without planning no goal can be achieved. That is the importance and most important feature of planning. Whether there is goal, there must be a planning, and whether there is planning, it means there must be a goal. So goal and planning is two aspects of a single coin. Whether there is goal there must be a planning, and whether there is planning there must be a goal. So planning always focus on achieving objective, and that is the most important feature of planning. The second is planning is the primary function of management. Initial step, essential step and important step towards achieving goal by any organization or by any management. Planning is the primary function, essential function, initial function and important function. With planning the management was going to be a start, and planning is very primary function. Without planning we cannot go one step ahead from our current position. So with planning we can't with planning only we can achieve our goals and get a step ahead. So planning is primary need or primary function of management. Third, planning is all pervasive. As we know that management is all pervasive, or so management is all pervasive, and being a primary function of management, planning is also all pervasive. Whether there is organization, whether there is a group of people work in a management, whether there is a goal, a group of people work in an organization, there must be a planning. So whether there is management, whether there is organization, whether there is a group of people work together to achieving a certain task or goal, there must be planning. So planning is also all pervasive. Fourth, planning is continuous. As we know from very first chapter that management is a continuous process, because organization is a continuous process, because organization and management goals is a continuous process. Human life is never going to be end. And after achieving a certain goal, there were next addition of next goal. So organization will be continue, management will be continue, and thus the planning is also will be continue. Whether there is organization continue achieving their goals, next after achieving one goal there is certain next goal, try for achieving next goal. So planning is also is a continuous process, and planning were parallelly go through the organization and go through with the goals. And whether there is goal there, whether there is management people groups of people work, there is planning, and planning also become a continuous process. Fifth, planning is futuristic. As we know that goal were achieved in futures, and so we plan, and thus planning is also futuristic, because plan were not always not made for current position. Plan were always made for future and future goals, achieving goals. So planning is futuristic, and when planning is futuristic, it considers all types of situation and circumstances which may come in front of or in way of achieving goals. Thus planning is planning always a full planning which able to handle all types of adverse as well as favorable situation, and get to turn adverse situation into an opportunity and achieving goals. And thus planning is futuristic, and due to futuristic, planning is important, because in future is uncertain, and while we going to plan uncertain things, we become more careful towards that situation, towards that circumstances, and due to this planning is futuristic, and that is the most important feature of planning, that planning is futuristic. And we and in future what situation may be appear in front of us, it is totally uncertain, it is totally unpredictable, and so we became more careful towards that situation, towards that circumstances, and we equipped ourselves with a lot of things to face that adverse situation, adverse circumstances, and achieve our goals. So planning is futuristic, and that is the most important feature of planning, and that is the core thing of planning, that planning is futuristic. Next, planning involves decision making. In benefits of planning, we also read this point that planning involves decision making. Planning is what? Planning is decision making in futures at different points, at different circumstances. What will be the decision? That is the planning. Actually, if I in a broad sense we can say we say willing to state planning, that we can state that planning is just a aggregative decision making towards a certain goal or certain task, and that decisions were able to achieve our goals, and that decisions were make efficient ourselves to achieve that goals. Thus planning is a group of decisions regarding different circumstances, different situations, and this is the importance of planning, that while we plan we have to be take decisions, alternative decisions regarding alternative circumstances, regarding alternative adverse situations also. So planning features the most important planning features is that planning is nothing. Planning is decision making. कि अगर हमारा ये बस छूट जाएगा, अगर हम जा रहे हैं पटना या दिल्ली और ये बस छूट जाएगा, ये ट्रेन छूट जाएगी, तो हम क्या करेंगे? That is the decision which we taken much more enough before that situation were commence in front of us or appear in front of us. That is planning. And in planning we also consider alternative ways, alternative methods, which is as efficient that they can able to achieve, they can able to support him to achieving goals. That is the decision making under planning, and planning is the aggregative form of various decisions which will be taken in the way of performing a certain task. So planning involves decision making. It is also important feature of planning. Without decision making, planning is nothing. Next, planning is a mental exercise. As we know that planning is made or done only by intellectual persons, because it is a total mental pressure. We have to that person who made plans, that person have the ability to think in future, to think about future circumstances and probability. So planning is totally a mental exercise. It is not a physical exercise. So only top level management do planning, whether the intellectual persons were groups and aggregate towards taking a certain decision. That's all. Features of planning is very important. So you all students are requested to make your notes on planning. Fourth chapter of business studies, and also remember these points from the point of view of board examination. You also prepare your notes in your homework book, and remember, and the examination which is commenced from 28 May, prepare for that examination. Stay home, safe home, good luck for examination. Till then, bye.